In this video, I will uncover our proven product relaunch strategy that we use to relaunch dormant products and get them back up to the top of page 1. Relaunching an older product that has lost its rank is quite different to launching a brand new product. However, some of these steps are very similar. A product that has been selling on Amazon for over 6 months will have a lot of historical data available. This includes things such as what keywords it's indexed for, keyword rank, PPC campaigns, and other data such as your click-through rate and conversion rate. With a brand new product launch, you will not have access to any of that data, so you will mostly be flying blind as to how your listing is going to perform. You do not know exactly what keywords you should be including or how your images should be, how your main image should be, how your PPC campaign should be set up. Everything needs to be done from scratch. But with a relaunch, you're able to utilize a lot of that historical data to greatly improve your chances of a successful relaunch. Rather than optimizing your entire listing from top to bottom, you may find that your images actually perform very well. In the past, you had a very solid click-through rate and conversion rate, but your problem lay in that you were not getting enough impressions coming to your listing. We can fix that by conducting new SEO research and optimizing our PPC campaigns. You want to start by running a new search on your competitors using Helium 10 Cerebro. Find the new keyword phrases that your competitors are targeting and add those to your master keyword list. Then run a search through Helium 10's magnet to find new keyword phrases in that specific niche. Keyword phrases are changing in popularity on Amazon all the time. A keyword phrase that might have had 2,000 searches 6 months ago could only have 200 searches today. Because of that, the phrases that are in your listing now may not have the same search volume that they once did, so you want to find new keyword phrases that you can add in. It is also very important to run a search using Helium 10's index checker to see what keywords your listing is indexed for. When you optimize an older listing, you never want to rehaul every single keyword that is inside of that listing. You only want to change a couple at a time. By using index checker, we can see what keywords your listing is already indexed for. It's far easier to get rank on a keyword that you are indexing for than to find a completely new keyword, have to index for it, and then rank for it. If you put too many new keywords into a listing, that can even trigger Amazon to re-index the entire listing because it thinks, okay, this product has had so many things change that maybe it's something else. Along with your SEO, you should also dive into your PPC campaigns. See what phrases are being targeted. Audit the keywords that are being targeted and make sure that they align with the new keywords that you have put into your front end and your back end listing. Audit the keywords that are being targeted and make sure that they are aligned with the keywords in your front end listing copy and back end keyword fields. Take a look at your search term placement report to see what keywords you're getting good sales on. There may be a keyword that has seen a significant decrease in search volume, so you're no longer targeting it on the organic side. However, it's still driving a lot of sales through your PPC campaigns. If you were to remove this keyword from both your listing and your PPC campaigns, those sales would dry up altogether. You also want to make sure that you add in any new keywords that you have put into your listing into your PPC campaigns. Having those PPC sponsored placements can help to increase your organic rank at the same time. The main thing that you'll need to get right with a product relaunch is going to be your pricing strategy. How can you get more people to click on your listing and then to purchase it? Yes, you can increase your impressions with SEO or PPC, or improve your click-through rate or conversions with listing images, but ultimately you want to be able to sell as many units as possible within a very short amount of time to gain that extra sales momentum to push your rank higher. Even if your images are already converting very well, you should still consider adding a coupon or discounting your price. A low price and a solid value proposition in your images will work together to further increase your conversion rates. We like to use a 4-week pricing plan when relaunching a product versus our 8-week pricing plan when we launch a brand new product. In week 1, you will aggressively cut your price by 30%. This should make you one of the lowest prices, if not the lowest price, on the search results page. More customers will look to purchase your product simply because it is the cheapest. Week 2 will be 25%, week 3 will be 20%, and then lastly, in week 4, you'll drop down to 15%. If your sales and ranking have sufficiently recovered by the end of week 4, then you can start moving your price back to where it was to begin with. A relaunch is not a time to make a lot of profits on a product, but it is a time to get your product back up ranking where it should be. The profits will come further on down the line when you have a solid footing back on the search results page. As with everything on Amazon, you have to track all of your metrics. If you find that nothing has improved after the 4-week discount, then keep the discount going for longer. If nothing works after that, then you need to go back and recheck your SEO and your PPC to make sure that you got everything right there. A successful product relaunch is the key to getting a dead listing off of the ground and back on its feet again. Follow all of these steps and do not miss a single one to increase your chances of a successful product relaunch. If you want to see how we can increase your sales by 30% in just 90 days, go to the link in the description below to schedule your free consultation call. If you got value from this, check out this other video where I walk through how you can avoid the most costly mistake that you can possibly make on Amazon.